Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to add PayPal on Google Play. To add PayPal account to your Google Play for making purchases, you need to link your PayPal account to Google Play account. So you cannot add PayPal directly within the Play Store app if you have PayPal security key turned on. So what you have to do is here, you want to open up your respective app store or a Google Play. And here you want to locate the section for managing payments, which is usually in the top right hand side. Click the initials, go to payment and subscriptions. As you go to payment and subscription, here you simply want to click on payment methods and then go ahead and click on add or create debit card. As you do it, so there you'll be able to choose PayPal as your payment method. Then you'll be prompted to enter your PayPal email and password to link your account. Follow the remaining steps to finalize the linking process and ensure that PayPal account is successfully added to your Google Play. This is the simplest way you could add PayPal to Google Play. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.